Today we are going to derive the Hamilton principle by using the Lagrange equation for a conservative system. Okay, so let us consider a system of n particles. In order to describe this system, we will need n generalized coordinates. In terms of those n generalized coordinates, the Lagrangian L could be written as L is equal to L Q1, Q2, Q3, Q1 dot, Q2 dot, Qn up to T. That is, it is a function of generalized coordinates, generalized velocity and time. Then we can write delta L as differentiating both sides of the above equation with respect to delta L, and we will get this result. Because the time the delta partial L by partial T dot partial T del T is 0, because there is time invariance. The Lagrangian partial delta, it is the necessary condition for del that the time should remain constant. We know from our previous knowledge, for a conservative system, this is the Lagrangian equation for a conservative system. This could be written as d by dt of partial L by partial Qi dot is equal to partial L by partial Qi. Okay, so assume this is equation number 2. This partial L by partial Qi will replace by d by dt of partial L by partial Qi dot. Delta L is equal to summation. Replace this equation with this term by this d by dt of partial L by partial Qi dot del Qi plus summation partial L by partial Qi dot del Qi. This can be further expanded into partial L is equal to summation d by dt of partial L by partial Qi dot del Qi plus summation partial L by partial Qi dot and d by dt of del Qi, because this del Qi is equal to del times d by dt of Qi is equal to del d by dt of del Qi. Okay, is 0. Partial L by partial Qi dot d by dt of del Qi is 0. Partial L by partial Qi dot d by dt of del Qi is equal to 0 for a monogenic system. Okay, so for a conservative system, this term is 0. Delta L is equal to summation d by dt of partial L by partial Qi dot del Qi Okay, d by dt of partial L by partial Qi dot del Qi. We can integrate both sides of equation from time t1 to t2. Integral t1 to t2 delta L dt is equal to summation integral d by dt of t1 to t2 partial L by partial Qi dot del Qi and dt. Okay. So this is from t1 to t2 and this could be written as delta L dt. You have discussed it in the definition of introductory lecture of Hamilton principle. This could be written as delta L dt for a monogenic system is equal to summation this is dt and dt. This is the integral of derivative of this term. As integration and derivative are inverses of each other, so this integral and this differential will cancel out and we will have partial L by partial Qi dot del Qi summation partial L by partial Qi dot del Qi from t1 to t2. Now del Qi t1 is equal to del Qi t2. So applying these limits, we have delta t1 to t2 L dt is equal to, by applying this limit, is equal to 0. And this is the Hamilton principle, which states that within a configuration space, the system will follow only that path which obey this equation, that is in which the integral of Lagrangian at time t1 to t2 is equal to 0.